Lesson 24, Prepositions of Place, Part 2, at, in, on. Read after the teacher. At. The preposition at is used for specific locations or addresses. I am at home. She is at school. He is at office. Students are at the bus stop. Dumbia is at the entrance. Let's meet at A57 Edison Street. On. On is mainly used for a surface. Example: people are on the beach. The book is on the floor. I put it on the wall. We can also use on for streets and avenues. You will see the sign on Paris Village Street. The house is on Joseph Anouma Avenue. We use it for some means of transport. He is getting on the train. There are a lot of people on the bus. I am on the plane. For communication, I heard him on the radio. I saw her on television. I talked to him on the phone. We found the information on the internet. In. We use in for an enclosed space. Davy is in the car. Junior is in the boat. My mother is in the house. I have never been in a helicopter. For geographical locations. Example: this man lives in Abidjan. My wife works in Côte d'Ivoire. My house is in Makori. Thanks for watching and see you for the next lesson.